What's going on, people? Today I'm going to do my first impression on Unique'e Luxury's Akdeniz. Now this was part of my Black Friday fragrance haul. I just received it and I'm super excited. Now these came in fragments, so I really wanted to do it all together, but unfortunately it's not possible because it came broken up. The orders came broken up. So this is what I did. I purchased a tester bottle of Akdeniz. This is from Unique'e Luxury, and from what I hear, this particular fragrance, Akdeniz, it's more of a fresh, aquatic, yet it has that strong, bold character to it. And of course, as with every Unique'e Luxury fragrance, there is no complaints with performance. Let's go ahead, test it out. I have not looked into the notes right now, so maybe I did it earlier, but I just grabbed it. It was a blind buy yet once again, and this is what the tester bottle looks like. So it says tester on the back. I don't know if you can see it on my phone camera, but yeah, liquid is like pale yellow. I don't know if the camera is doing too good with this color, but yeah, but the presentation comes in, like, I would say the bottle, it comes in like full presentation with the gemstone over here, the heavy cap and everything. So yeah, there's that. The cap nicely locks into place, so there's no issue with that. Let's go ahead and spray it on my makeshift tester strip. Okay, looks like the atomizer was pre-loaded. Okay, there's a beautiful fruity nuance right off the top, kind of like a leathery base that's coming through. Not one of your super sharp leather, but it's nice. There's a kind of like a salty fruitiness that's coming through, a bit earthiness. It's mild, smooth, not harsh. Beautiful stuff. Definitely feels juicy, not one of your dry, fresh citrus kind of thing. I do feel some kind of a citrus going on in here. Not sure if it's bergamot or orange, but there's a sweetness to it too. Kind of like a ripe, fruity, beautiful. Definitely doable in the wintertime during the cooler months. Yep. This thing's good. So guys, that was my first impression about Unique'e Luxury's Akdeniz. Love this stuff already. I just cannot wait until I get a full wearing of this. And of course, I'm going to share my full and final review with all of you. So make sure you stay tuned. And if you have missed subscribing to my channel, please do so. I often do giveaways, so you don't want to miss that. Take care, everybody.